Welcome in our little tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do a mapping with our Airocollect application. First of all, you can download Airocollect from the Play Store. This is the first app that shows up if you go Airocollect. You install it on your phone and you will need it to do the flight. Right, once you have it, we can start. What we'll need is the remote controller, telephone and the drone. For this demonstration, we're going to use the Mini 2 from DJI. First of all, we'll get the drone ready. We remove the cover on the camera and we will unfold the arms. First the top ones and then the bottom ones. There. Next, we will put the telephone in the remote control, and you have to pay attention that the end of the cable with the icon on it is plugged into the remote controller. The other side can go into your phone. You put in your phone like that. There we go. And later on we'll put the other side into the phone. To switch on the drone, you click shortly and then hold it. There, to switch it on. You do the same thing on the remote controller. After the controller starts, you see that the LEDs start flashing. That means that it's looking for the drone. As soon as it stops blinking, you know that the remote controller is connected to the drone. There we are. Once that's done, we can connect the USB-C end of the cable to your phone. The Airocollect application will start automatically and we can get going. Okay, you can click this message away and we're going to plan a mission. You click plan mission. There we go. And you have a number of options to do that: roof, volume, 2D or 3D terrain flight. In this demo, we're going to show you how to map a 3D terrain. The other ones have similar procedures. Now click on 3D. And the first thing you have to do is set the altitude at which you want to perform your flight. It's important that this altitude is set above all the obstacles around you, because the drone will automatically perform its scan and the Mini 2 doesn't have anti-collision sensors. So it's important that you fly above everything, otherwise the drone might crash into something. So in this example, we use 25 meters and we select set to continue. Now we can click on the button to center on the location where we are, and we will show you a map of the area. It's important at this moment that the telephone has an internet connection. It could be 4G or a Wi-Fi with a hotspot from another phone. But once that's there, you'll see that you get a satellite image of the area, and you can select the area which you want to map. So you select 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the app will automatically calculate a flight plan. You can move the points around until you're happy that the flight plan will cover the area that you want to scan. There, a bit more, and we're happy now. Yep, there we go. Then we can click fly when we're ready. There, we click fly, you go back to this screen, you click you have control, and start mission. The drone will immediately take off and will go to the altitude that you configured. When it reaches the altitude, it will do a 360 turn, so you can have one last view, one last check to make sure that there are no obstacles at your flight altitude. If there's nothing around, you can just let the drone go and it will start taking its pictures. Don't forget to make sure that the camera mode is in automatic and that the shutter speed is not too low when it's dark, for example, to avoid blurry pictures. There. You see, when it starts the pattern, it will start taking pictures every X seconds. Right, and now we're going to fast forward our flight plan while the drone flies, and we'll continue afterwards. So for a 3D plan, we'll first map fly one pattern and then fly another pattern perpendicular to it. You can always take back control of the drone by clicking the I have control button. or changing the slider on your remote control, and then you can fly manually again. Once the drone is finished, it will return to its takeoff location and will land there automatically. Touchdown. Once you're finished, we're going to shut down everything. First, power off the remote control, one click and then hold. Same for the drone, short and long. Go, we can remove the telephone and put the cable back in its holder, like that. And then we'll fold up the arms on the drone. First we put the cover back, and then we fold the bottom arms and the top ones. Next thing that you need to know is how to extract the images from your drone. For that there are two options: or you remove the SD card, or you use the USB port on the drone. USB port is the easiest, but you have to make sure that your drone is switched on before you connect USB cable to the computer to switch it on, and afterwards you can connect the USB and you get access to your files. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I invite you to look at our other videos and follow us on YouTube. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.